Hi, welcome back to another product review from Binks Balustrades, and today we're going to talk about HMT's new STAKIT system. So we've got the box to my right hand side, which is to house all the drill bits. We've got the turbo tip drill bits from 6.8 up to 14mm, and we've got the drill taps from 5 up to 12. And then we've got the reamers, and we've got a couple of impact taps as well. We've got some new modified versions of the attachments. So we've got the impact driver attachment, we've got the impact wrench attachment, and we've got a long attachment for either of those two. Same as always, all these pieces, they all clip into these so easily. Interchangeable, dead easy, so you can go from one piece to the next piece with ease. There's absolutely no time lost when you're working with these pieces of kit. Absolutely fantastic. I really love them. In the past, with VersaDrive bits and pieces, we have a box in the back of the van where they're all piled in. They've all got the little individual boxes. So this is a really great idea that HMT have brought out to obviously keep everything all nice and neat together. They're not all rolling around in the box getting all blunt and bashed together. So obviously, like I say, the drill bit side of it is all here. And then this box here to my left hand side, we've got these individual boxes so you can keep everything all stacked together. You can keep your lube piled up in the middles. So everything's nice and neat. It's all together, and there's no searching around in the back of the van. So again, as always with the VersaDrive stuff, time saved on site. It's always been put in mind for the lads on site when they're using this equipment. I'm really excited to get these new turbo tip drills out and actually use them on site as well. The other stuff that HMT have brought out before, they've all been really innovative at the time. They're always with the mind of the fitter on site who's actually doing the work itself. So yeah, these are going to be a really good thing to look at for saving time. So they have a really small pilot drill bit at the beginning, and then it works up gradually in a stepped fit in there. So obviously, so you can just drill through with one piece of equipment. You don't need to swap the drills over every 2 seconds. So traditionally, when you're drilling a hole, start with a pilot and then move up in stages till you get to the right size. With this piece of equipment here, you just put it in the drill and fire it through with your lube as well. Obviously, it drills straight through. You start with a small hole, you end with a big hole. One process, dead simple, no messing about. Once again, being part of the test team, I'd just like to thank HMT for sending this equipment out. I'm really excited and really looking forward to getting it out on site. And we're going to do some production videos as well while we're there, show you how all this equipment works. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.